So we have done extensive inspection on all of our underground, and no surprise, we found that our underground interceptor, our sewers, need a lot of work. And right now we are doing work on the interceptor that runs under the Clinton River, actually, right by North River Road and I-94. It's a huge sewage interceptor that goes underneath this river. And guess what? It needs a lot of work. What we found there is what we call weepers and gushers, a lot of sedimentation coming in. So we are grouting all of this in these critical areas to make sure that we ensure the integrity of the pipe. Can you even imagine if we had a sewer collapse under the Clinton River, a sewer that handles about 500,000 people? Think about that, in our magnificent Clinton River and into our waterways. So when we talk about investing in our underground, it's not just to make sure that the sewers work well, we have to make sure we never have any issue with our environment as well.